So Yvette is still in the shop getting the transmission cooler installed. So I'm at the house bored. I figure I'd go ahead and change the cabin filters on the Yukon. So that's my project today. So I'm doing a cabin air filter replacement on my 2001 GMC Yukon XL. And I said, let me go ahead and film this because some people may not know. In order to get to it, this is the passenger side. You let down 2 bolts to get to it. They're 7mm. So you got one here, one here. It's pretty much right where that hole is and that hole is. And you let it down enough in order to get to it. Then below, all the way up under, there's a 7mm I took out. I mean a 5.5mm. It's literally 5.5. So it's actually right here at the back of this. So I took that 5.5 out, and I'm gonna take the filter out now. So let's see what happens here. So that's one filter. It's actually 2 from the way I understand. It's one in it, right up in front. So that's one, and that's obviously nasty. Then there should be another one. Keep going further back, and you could see it all the way back there. So let me see if I can get it. Let me put this down. So there you have it. They're both out. They both slide up in there as such. So I'm gonna probably vacuum a little bit. Looks like I got a little bit of foolishness back there. And run to Pet Boys or O'Reilly's or such and swap these out. So yeah, let me do that, and I'll get back to you guys. So I'm not too sure how many brands are out there for these, but these are the ones I bought. 3012. It comes 2 in a pack. I brought the old ones, obviously, and looks like we're in business. So once you put the filters back in, there's a little clip here, right up here, that you gotta clip this holder thingy in, and then you obviously got the bolt back here all the way in the back that you gotta screw in. So now you know.